G'day.
Oh no, is that Max? Whoa! Oi! Oh shit! No! Woo! That actually scared the shit out of me.
Sorry.
Corey and I are off to the all Japanese car and bike show. Is this a pre-meet?
Yeah, it's like they do like an annual meet like once a year, which is huge, but it's like a pre-meet at some diner. We got the Juan 80 out, which is cool. Anxious as hell driving this in the daylight with the cage in it and stuff, but
no cops.
See how it goes.
Yeah, should be a cool event. Follow along. You. Be a pretty big event, actually, potentially. Sylvia Life.
Oh, look at this little thing.
Oh, Minecraft.
Yeah,
Look at this.
Sick.
Pretty cool though. Wheels, yo.
Yeah.
I thought it'd be heaps. Wait, well, dude. Oh, there's Crawford. Big doing? Hey! How are ya? Look at his mug. Oi! Oi!
It's going great and he's flushing.
This thing is cool. 4-door 32. I do have a soft spot for 4 doors. This MX-5 is actually cool. I actually saw this driving around in Fish Creek on my way to your, I think, Powertrain the other day.
Wait, Roto Watanabe ramps.
That's yeah, because you can't buy Watanabe anymore, Ben.
Well, yeah.
They're discontinued.
I'm not saying it's actually a...
Kind of cool roll bar.
Oh, that kind of left a dagger in it. Maserati.
You did not do this. Stands boy Vincent. Andy Cheney.
It's going down for real.
Yeah, but I think there's 3 or 4 I made it!
Right, Sangers.
So imagine these on the R32. That would be mint. I mean, mine are black here. They're kind of similar, but...
Genuine BB5s?
Mine are reps.
Yeah, BB5s.
Yeah, well, sure. Should we go for a walk down the street and see what's there? This will stay lit. Look at this colour. This is nice.
Still HE boy. And then Stance boy Harrison. Yeah. Nice front bar, idiot. Huh?
You're really dressed up.
For a car show.
I sort of like jeans and I was like, whoa! What? No bubble.
Get out. It's Liam.
Oh my god.
I would do that. Dude, if someone said, yeah, I'll swap you a Skyline for a Stager, I would do it. Heartbeat. It's like, nah, I couldn't. I mean, I don't know very much about them. VIP Crown, as you would have watched in our feature. Hashtag Luxor Boy. This light is fading quickly. Heavy Hitters Club.
The oil filter, you can't.
Khoisan.
The GDR is so juicy.
I know.
The 3300 is rad.
Yeah, I stopped and had a good look at that. Man, it killed me. Josh, did you drive a car here?
Sure did, mate.
What'd you drive here?
Me 30.
Oh, the Me 30.
The Me 30.
Yeah, fair enough.
Yeah.
Damn. I know, it kills me. So premium. Oi.
So good.
Not what I expected.
No, this would be my 4th coffee for the day.
Oh, you gonna win some shit, man?
Me?
Yeah.
I didn't buy anything, I just got here.
Oh, as if you didn't buy anything.
Come on. Alright, get in there, man. 17. Alright, there we go. Mystery box.
Anything happening up this? You guys are eating here?
Nah, I mean, I'm gonna go get food somewhere else after. Well, that was the most tame thing I've ever seen in my life.
Yeah, because you saw that high.
Cool. I hear brapping.
I think it's cool. Yeah, but I love
Couldn't resist.
Man, this looks very like Japanese, it's cool.
Once
It's
more.
okay!
Oh my god.
No mercy for stooges.
Like I'm getting cornered. I'm cold up. That's pretty clean actually. That's nice.
Don't leave with these plates
That's so sick.
Hello, friend. Hello. What are we doing?
Hello.
What are you doing? I don't know. I'm asking what you're doing. We're gonna go get a HSP. London. Alright. Salt.
Gungahlin.
Salt. Are you going to get food?
Yeah.
It's food time, yo.
Tape on her plates. She like taped her plates, or like just like photos and stuff like that. And yeah, the police pulled her up and they're like, "What is this?" Dude, you see they do the cruise where you just pull the trailer on the back a bit earlier? Yeah. Buried it. Loved it. Josh cracked a semi over that one.
The dude, the crew that pulled across the bridge. I don't know who that was.
you live this down.
Blasty boy.
Well, you won't skid the down ramp.
Oh yeah.
Go on. Amelia did.
You fucking. You didn't expect me to do that, did you?
No, I did not expect that. I just feel like Amelia's fuel cap is open because of those things on the side. You know what I mean? Looks like it's popped.
Yeah.
2 times.
I'm so keen.